But he's ready for them. The Mwambas must stay out of range of his wickedly sharp horns. His thick hide foils an attack from behind. On his feet, this ton of muscle is unstoppable. Without the heavy pride males, the lionesses lack the bulk to fell him. Spike arrives. Abandoning a lost cause, the hungry lions head off to hunt elsewhere. By daybreak, the buffalo is long gone. And the lionesses bear the marks of their bruising encounter. In the days that follow, kills are few and far between. The hungrier these lions get, the more tempting the sight of a buffalo becomes. But this buffalo isn't alone.